G'day everyone. Just following on from the conference call from last week. This is the emergency app that I was going to send an email about, but I thought it'd be just as easy to send through a video. So it's just Emergency Plus. Go into the App Store. If you don't know how to do that, just go into App Store and search Emergency Plus, and then it'll come up and you can download it from there. But the good thing about it is if you can access your phone, you can go into it. It gives you all your contacts that you can call for emergency services. Gives you an address, map, and also an interactive map that you can zoom in and out and see where you are and all those sorts of things. So if you need to talk to emergency services to help locate where you are, that's really good. But also what I want to quickly chat about is if we don't have access to be able to get into the phone, so let's say that you're injured and someone's picked your phone up and they need to use it to call emergency services. So that's able to be done when the phone is locked. If they put the passcode in a couple of times or click the emergency button, which I'll show a video to in a second, that they can access and call 000. The good thing about that, if in your health app, if you put your contact details and emergency contact details, that will send also a text message to your emergency contacts with you requesting emergency services. So it'll say that you've requested emergency services for help, and also your GPS point of where you are at that time. So if you just go into your settings, putting emergency, it's called emergency SOS, click the auto call on, and then you can put in your emergency contacts. So, I've got the managers, obviously, and my partner in there saying that, if there is 000 called in that emergency app when the phone is locked, it'll send these guys a text message with my location as well. To add people in there, you've got to go into your health app, but the good thing is you can go straight from here, just click on that edit emergency contacts in health. That'll take you straight through to your medical ID. In your medical ID, if we go into edit, we can actually put in medical conditions and notes and all that sort of stuff that people can access to, blood type and things, if you want to put that stuff in. Also down here, so this is where we add in emergency contacts. So just hit that plus button, add in a new contact, and then they'll be on the list to get that SMS. So how this works is if someone tries to get into your phone, they're going to have to try and put passwords in. If they hit it enough times, this screen here comes up, and it says put your passcode in. They can touch the emergency button down the bottom here, and then allows them to call emergency contacts. So they can hit 000 and call for help, or they can actually look at this medical ID down the bottom here, and it'll give them information around people to contact and all those sorts of things. So, and it'll also put your emergency stuff. So if I wanted to call someone that's in their emergency contacts, you can just touch that button and away it goes, even though the phone is actually locked, which is a great idea considering most people are not going to be able to get into your phone if it is locked. So that's how it works. Too easy. See you later.